Hi everyone! Today we are returning to the World of Warcraft Cookbook! For the Horde! For the Horde! And we will be making sweet potato bread! I have my doubts about the first direction, which is preheat the oven to 400, and then you're just gonna pierce the sweet potatoes and cook them like you would a sweet potato, keep them in their skins. It seems like you should mash them instead, because later on you do like partially like rough mash, they say. See, I read the directions, unlike last week. And I'm gonna do what they say, but I have a feeling the way I'm thinking would actually be better. But I'm gonna try it their way. Preheat the oven to 400. You're gonna take 1 pound sweet potatoes, or 2 sweet potatoes, they say, that are medium, and pierce them for the Horde. Okay, these go in for 1 hour. Here we go. Oh no, my oven's still smoking. All is well. It was just burning off what I had cleaned from last week. Let's try this again. We're gonna put these in the oven for an hour. And hopefully not set off the fire alarm. Now while those are in the oven, I'm gonna take you to Northrend, where this recipe is from, and show you where you can find it in the game. And hopefully I'll find it pretty easily. In the description, it says moist, dense, and richly flavored with an array of spices. This popular Northrend bread would be tasty on its own, but topped with caramel and crunchy nuts, it's absolutely decadent. Since we're going to Northrend, what better drink than mead? Skull, I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to get bread. I'm on a mission. Oh no, where are my pets? Oh no, not another one. Now something I do when I play Deadline is anytime I get attacked like this, I use cannibalism on them as payback. Because I was just minding my own business, trying to get somewhere. And what do? They attack me. So you know what? They get eaten. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn in this quest. Whee! Alright. I leveled! Is there a flight path somewhere? Please be a flight path. Of course there's not. Why would there be one? I'm actually gonna log into my other character who's a higher level to do this. Or else it's just gonna take too long. I need to slow down. I am drinking this mead far too fast. It's just so tasty. All right, we are back with Domnai, my hunter troll. If you haven't noticed, I like to play hunters. She's my main character, by the way. We're just gonna, Hearthstone to Dalaran. Oops, oh, just switched them around. I love Hearthstones. Let's see if someone in Dalaran has it. We'll go in here. That's Portal Trainer. Whoops. Meh. I'm not as familiar with Dalaran, even though I do like Dalaran. Well, let's look in here. I think this, yeah. Lounge? Maybe it's in the lounge. Ooh, maybe the bartender has some. Hello. That's right, I'm on top of the bar. Nope, just honey croissants. See you later. Okay, that's a barber. We don't need to go to the barber, although I do love the new barber features. Oh, I bet I need to go to Old Dalaran. Okay, let me try something. Oh, that's in the new place. Alright. I'm gonna pause this video because I'm gonna go to my garrison so then I can go back in time. Back in time! There's a lot of time travel in WoW. Alright, we have traveled back in time to back back in time, Dalaran, and we'll see if we can find it in the comments here. If not, wow, Wiki lied to me. Big spider! Oh, it disappeared. Ah, walking into a wall. Alright, here we got barmaid. Yeah, let's check the barmaid. Maybe she has it. Come here, barmaid! Alright, we got... Found it! The barmaid has it! Now, buy me some sweet bread. Alright, we will pop a school out at a table and eat it. I'm gonna get rid of my pets so you can see it better. Not that I don't love you. Goodbye, little petty pet. Let's put that there for right now. Like my mohawk. Okay. Yeah, leave me alone, barmaid. Alright, sweet. Oh no, why is it showing up? I bought it. Oh, there it is. Here we go. She's eating it. Oops. That was fast. Let's eat another one. Oh no, there she goes. Yum, 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 yum. Aww, how cute. Oh, she's all alone. There's no one there beside her. Just eating sweet potato bread. Let's let her have another. Oh, she's still eating the first one. Whoops. But there, you can find it in Old Dalaran. Don't go to the new Dalaran version. You won't find the sweet potato bread there. You gotta go back in time. And this tavern has it. So, yay, we found it. It did only take the hour. They are squishy enough, I think, to mash. Now you just have to let those cool before mashing them. So you can scoop them out of the skins. Those are still way too hot. If you've seen my show before, you know I'm not a patient person. In this case, please be patient. Pretty sure I may have just burned my thumb. I am sorry for doubting you, World of Warcraft book. That actually worked extremely well. Now to add a 4th cup of milk. And mash! It is now time to add 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 eggies, a teaspoon of vanilla, and your holiday spices, which are ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ground pepper. And beat it all together. I forgot half a cup of oil. At least I remembered now. Now, to add the dry ingredients. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cups flour. Don't forget, scrape the sides. You're supposed to butter the pan loaf, but I have no butter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that vegetable oil and swish it around. Life hacks. Now, dump her in. Put this in the oven for another hour at 400. Or until you can poke a knife through it and nothing comes on it, just like a cake. And thank God I just reread the directions, because for the topping, I'm gonna need butter. So while that cooks, I'm gonna have to run to the store. Heading to the bodega to get butter and toilet paper. Time to test. It's done! While that is cooling, it's time to make the topping. I'm sorry, the oven is so hot, it turned the fan on. In a small saucepan, we're gonna whisk together 2 teaspoons of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. On medium heat. Medium low, medium heat. whiskin, some vanilla, and by some I mean, oh, it just says a dash of vanilla. It's going by my terms. And then it says this is optional, but I really don't think it should be. You add a dash of bourbon as well. That should be required. Now let it cool. Or else your toppings are gonna melt off the top of your bread. It's still pretty warm, but it's not as hot, so I'm just gonna go for it because it's getting late. Garnish with pecans or walnuts. It is a little runny, but that's okay. It will still taste delicious. And I know it will because as I was pouring that, I taste tested the spoon. Mead. So good. The first piece I cut out kind of fell apart, but it looks like the rest of it will slice just fine. Okay, let's see how it tastes. I never even heard of sweet potato bread before. If you have, let me know in the comments. All right, here we go. I want one with like the caramel topping on it. This is really good. It reminds me of pumpkin bread. Like if you like pumpkin bread, you'll like this. And the caramel on top is really good. I didn't quite let it cool enough though to put it on, but I don't mind. It's just gonna seep into the bread and make it all sweet and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this episode, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if there's a certain cookbook you want me to do next, put it in the comments. I also have in the description a list of all the cookbooks I currently have. So, you know, check it out and see if maybe you want to see an Outlander or another Dungeons and Dragons. Just, you know, hit me up. Let me know. Side note, I have hit over 1,500 followers on Instagram and now have hit over 250 on YouTube. And as promised in my Instagram stories, I will be doing a giveaway soon. So head over to my Instagram to check that out. And then head over to my Bottled Up by Sam Instagram to check out Mermaid. I'm going to make a pair of mermaid earrings for every day of the month in May. And I have a little sneak peek for you. Are you ready? Here's one of the pairs. Woo! And I'll show you one more. I personally think these ones are my favorite. Aren't they pretty? Sioux City! See you next time!